Alright, this is a break from yesterday. Bowman random pack, round number 3. We're going to click it 8 times. Oh, in case you haven't been in any of the other ones, pack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the layout. 1, 2 across the top, 3 in the middle, 4, 5 across the bottom. This will determine which one of those cubes you get. 5, 6, 7, 8. Brad gets pack 1 down to Brady Matt gets bottom right 8 times. 4, 8 left. Top box number 1. Sit, Ubu. Good box. Good box. Hey, take it easy. Pack number 1. Hard to keep that to stand up. Brad, these yours. Brad, looks like we got double blues. Blues are 25. This is an autograph to 25. Garcia, Yoshida, Anthony Volpe, numbered 6 of 25. That's a nice blue rookie. And William Bergola, 25 blue autograph. He needed the money. All right. That was Brad. Brad, that was a double blue pack. How did that make you feel? Pack 2. Turn down for Watts. Watts, you shall receive Harris, Vinny, Mark, and Figueroa. Miguel and Oswald Terraza. Put this here with Watts cards. Cool. Swaggy. This one's yours. Oh, it is? Swaggy gets Zavala, Lee, Jordan Walker to 150. Brad, Swaggy said he would trade you straight up Jordan Walker for Anthony Volpe. Deal or no deal. And Yordani de los Santos. Oscar. Straight up. Pay him. Pay that man his money. Grizzlebees, pack 4. Got a gold in this one. Grizzle looks autographed. Maybe not. I can't tell. It's okay. Maybe not. Elijah. Oh no, it's the second card. Herrera. Numbered to 50. Marcelo Meyer and Jackson Merrill. Gold and then a Jackson. Steer and Meyer. Sounds like a law firm. Grizzle. Grizzle, you got some boxes coming up later as well. Last pack going to Brady Matt. Brady, you get all of those. It's one of those numbered to 100 autographs. Brady, Kumar, Miguel, numbered to 199, and Rain Duncan, numbered to 100. Steer and Alvarez. The camera looks like it's dipped low. It's a little better. All right, that's it. Thanks, guys.